Hi, today I will show you how to actually use Subtitles, which is actually a pretty cool app. Subtitles is an app where you can have live subtitles for anything. Any app, any meeting, Zoom call, Google Meets call, Discord call, Slack calls, anything. Or you can watch streams with subtitles too. So let's get started. This is a subtitle screen, and this is the greeting screen for everyone here. And actually, you only have two options how you can get subtitles. It's either just the subtitles or it's subtitles with recording. What's the difference? So I can turn on only subtitles. I just toggle these captions and they start to record something. And I also see subtitles right now. And actually, I said record, but it's not recording. It will never be saved, and it will only be saved if you will click on new record. So in this mode, your transcriptions and also your audios will not be saved, which is pretty cool for privacy reasons. And if you ever need to save it, you can click on new record and it will be saved. But if you do not need to save it, you can actually just remove the subtitles and it will still work. So in order to remove subtitles, I can either toggle off here or I can use a shortcut. And the shortcut for subtitle is Ctrl-Shift-S to remove or to add subtitles. So Ctrl-Shift-S and subtitles are off. Ctrl-Shift-S back and subtitles are on. So this is the shortcut that we have. Let's remove it. And now we'll show you how you can actually create a recording, which is also a pretty simple process. So what you can do, you can just click on new record here, or you can use a shortcut, which is Ctrl-Shift-R to actually start the recording. So let me click on new record here. I clicked on new record, and now I not only see subtitles in top notch of I not only see the subtitles in the top of my screen, but I also have the recording, and the recording will be saved. I also can select text here, I can read it here, I can also copy it here, so it's pretty simple to do. And let me actually show you some features on this notch. So this notch has only 4 buttons. It's basically stop, which will stop the recording. It is font size. You can make font size smaller or you can make font size bigger. It depends on your use case. Also, you can unpin the notch. What will it do? Sometimes you don't need the notch in the top section of your screen. So clicking on the unpin, I can put it anywhere that I want. So for example, if I want to put it somewhere here, it will also work. Somewhere here, I mean, I can put it anywhere. I can put it on my second screen. I can put it anywhere that I would like to see it. Let me pin it back. And also, I have a really interesting button with eye and crossing eye. What does it do? It basically just turns off subtitles. Imagine you have an important call and you need to share your screen and you do not want to share your audience that you actually use subtitles. So you can just hide it. However, the recording will still be going and you can see that the words are adding as I am speaking. So these are really simple things about subtitling. And in order to stop the recording, I can actually hit a button here, hit a stop button here, or I can use a shortcut which is Ctrl-Shift-R to stop the recording or to create a new recording. So I will hit the Ctrl-Shift-R and the recording will be stopped. After the recording, I will have a text with my transcription and also an audio file where I can listen to what I was saying, and that's basically it. You can do some other really small things like add it to favorites and have it always on top. You can rename it to the naming you want, so you can basically just add any names that you would like to have. You will always have the timestamp, which is 1st of October 2024 at 1 p.m., almost 2 p.m. It's Gulf time, so this is the time zone. Also, you can give us feedback. If you will give us positive feedback, thank you very much. If you give us negative feedback, just tell us what was wrong. We are really here to fix everything that you will encounter. I will go through some small things that we have in the app, and this is the setup section. If you click on setup section, there are actually 4 categories, and you can work here with different options. So first of all, by default, we are using both system audio and microphone. However, if you have different use cases when you only need system audio or when you only need microphone, you can toggle on and toggle off them here. So that's pretty simple. Moreover, we use different models, and for M2 MacBooks and higher, we really recommend Distill Whisper with free turbo, this one. Distill Large with free turbo 600 megabytes. If you have M1 Mac, you do not have Distill model, so you can just use Whisper base. It's also pretty good. It has a bit higher word error rate, however, it's still pretty good. This is a nerd section. I will not go through it, but long story short, you can make different options, but this is really nerd section. I will not go through it. And this is the license section where you can unlink your license and see your license key. That's basically it in terms of the app. So again, it's pretty simple. However, it's really powerful, and it does the jobs that basically you need to solve. If you need to have subtitles everywhere, use Subtitles. Also, we're planning to add more translations soon, so that will be pretty cool. Again, this is a demo of Subtitles, and I hope you enjoyed it. You can download it in the link below at subtitles.app. See ya!